up, guys? Welcome to another video. Apologies again for my hair. I took the twists out. I had them in for 3 weeks. I took them out and I was rushing through doing my hair, and when you rush through doing your hair, this is what happens. Let that show you what the stress is like these days. Hashtag my life. Yeah. So I put a hat on my head to try and make it look better. So hopefully it's working. Today we're doing a hair care line review. It's not a new hair care line. It is by Vernon Francois. He is a celebrity hairstylist. I met him about a year ago and I just hadn't had a chance to pick up his line with everything going on, but he just got picked up by Sally Beauty, and so I ran out to go grab some products and we are going to give them a try today. And I am so excited because clearly my hair needs to be restyled because this is not a look. But first, I want to show some love to the sponsor of today's video, my good friends at Teamy Blends. Known for their amazing healthy tea blends, they've recently launched a line of all-natural skincare that I've been loving. Today we're featuring the green tea facial scrub and the repair facial oil. For me, the green tea facial scrub is a 2-in-1. I'm so tired by the end of the night, I don't want to spend a lot of time on skincare. For me, this doubles as an exfoliant and often a face mask. Gently working the product over the skin, and I leave it on to dry so that I get the most out of the green tea and lemongrass. After a few minutes, I wet it again and gently exfoliate all that dead skin away to reveal bright, glowy skin. The Repair Facial Oil is made of all natural plant ingredients. Infused with chamomile essence and flowers, it's great for all skin types and helps to moisturize and repair dry, damaged skin, dark spots, eczema, rosacea, and psoriasis when used day or night. It also helps to balance the overproduction of oil in your pores. Use it to re-moisturize and refresh after your skincare treatments. Just 3 to 4 drops and lightly dab it in, and the skin feels glowing and fresh. Grab both the Repair Facial Oil and the Green Tea Facial Scrub at teamyblends.com, linked in the description box. What's up, guys? I'm just coming in really quick to show you one more application with the exfoliating scrub. Look how it froths up. And this is after you've cleansed your face and there's tons of water. And then you can, of course, just leave it on as a mask or rinse it off. So just rinse this off to reveal fresh, glowing skin. And I do have a discount code if you guys want to give any of these Teamy products a try. Just enter my code WIT20 at checkout. It's not an affiliate. I'm not getting anything on that. It's just to save you guys money. So WIT20 at checkout to save 20% off your entire order. Thanks, Teamy. We are gonna do a wash and go. His line has shampoos, conditioners, leave-ins, and also styling products. Now the styling products have coconut oil in it, so I passed on that. So his line has a line for curly hair and then like a line for afro hair. My hair is coily, so we're like right in the middle. The afro one is for coily and afro hair, so they've got like little symbols on it, so I'm assuming that is the coily and I'm assuming that is the afro. Grabbed the yellow line, which is the afro. We've got the shampoo and the conditioner here. They look like this, and I look like I'm in like Paris behind here. Like I look like the guys. I'm like, is it Gondola? I'm like, and then he's got just one general across the line leave-in conditioner. It says it's for all hair types. Super excited about that. Coily, afro, wavy, straight, and curly. That's enough from me. I've blobbed enough. I'm already detangling here. I'm ready to go. I just need to set up shop in my shower, like for real. I need to just put a dining room table there, my bed, everything, because I just live in my shower. So I'm gonna go and wash my hair, and you guys are gonna see that. And then I will come back and give you my thoughts on this line. So this was such an experience. I started with the Pure Fro shampoo, which I realized smells like grapefruit. I enjoyed using the shampoo. It felt like a salon experience. The scent, how it lathered. My one gripe was that I felt the need to use a lot of it to cover my entire head, but maybe if you have less hair, that won't be such an issue. Overall, it felt great and my scalp felt clean afterwards. The conditioner was next, and this spray application had me very intrigued. So I sprayed it on my hair and went to work this stuff in. And oh my God, it was the weirdest texture of conditioner I have ever used. As I worked it in, it was like milky, like just running everywhere down my hands, my neck. Like I have literally never seen anything like this. It was crazy. I was perplexed. I went to go reread the bottle to make sure I had used the correct product, and yep, this was the conditioner. So I kept going. I'm gonna see this thing through. What I liked about this conditioner is that it's full of hair strengthening amino acids. I truly felt my hair strengthening, like how a protein treatment makes your hair feel, because amino acids are the building proteins of your hair. But because of this strengthening effect, it was almost impossible to detangle my hair. My hair was just locked. It was locked and loaded and I couldn't detangle it at all. So I decided to rinse the conditioner out without detangling so I didn't break my hair, and I just used my deep conditioner to detangle instead. So it's 2 hours later. Yes, it took me 2 hours to detangle my hair after this conditioner treatment, you guys. What? So we're moving on to the leave-in conditioner, and this is really interesting. I'm applying the leave-in conditioner the same way, spraying it on, then pray your hands to work it in. And oh my God, it's foaming! What the heck? Did I use shampoo by accident, you guys? This whole review almost gave me a heart attack. What is happening? So again, I checked the bottle. No, that's the leave-in conditioner. Okay, keep going. So I'm applying it with my hands, just prayer handing my coils so I don't mess them up. And I'm loving the definition the leave-in gives. It's hella different, but I like it. All right, so I'm just finishing up here. And here's how my hair looked when I was finished applying the leave-in conditioner. All right guys, so we are back. We are at day 2 right now. This is my stretched wash and go. I ended up styling with the Melanin hair care products and some flax gel. I stretched my curls. So let's talk about this. So you guys saw me using them in the shower. Very good shampoo, got my hair clean, smelled really nice. I really enjoyed that. Again, I had to use a lot of it to kind of get it over my whole head. So that was the only thing that I wasn't too excited about. This conditioner was crazy. I knew it was gonna be different because it was coming out of a spray bottle, but it was just so different. It was just so milky. I understand exactly why this is the way it is. It's chock full of amino acids. Alanine, serine, glycine, valine, lysine. Everything is in here. Cysteine, tyrosine, keratin, hydrolyzed keratin. This is a protein treatment conditioner because it is chock full of all these amazing hair healthy proteins. It locks your hair in place and it strengthens your hair. My hair definitely felt strengthened, but once it locks in place, it's really hard to get those tangles out. My hair was in like a failed perm rod situation that was like really tight, and I could detangle that fine when it was dry. And I didn't detangle my hair prior to washing because I wanted to test it for detangling properties. So I wasn't happy that it didn't detangle my hair very well, because I mean, it does say that it's excellent for detangling kinky hair. I also ended up using pretty much almost this entire bottle just for my one head. Like you see kind of milky in there, right? The line of it is right here. You see how it's moving? And that was because I was trying to detangle with it and it wasn't working. So I kept spraying it like, oh, maybe if I add more, like, you know. And so I ended up using the whole bottle, which I'm not super happy about. But would I use this conditioner again? I absolutely would. Now that I know how to use it, I would shampoo, then I would condition, detangle with a different conditioner, like one that will detangle my hair. Then once it's completely detangled, I would spray my section with this conditioner, since I don't need to detangle anymore, to help strengthen my hair at the ends, the shaft, and the roots. And then maybe put my deep conditioner on top and leave it there to sit. That's how I would use this product. I didn't like this for detangling, but I liked this as a conditioning protein treatment. Okay, so after my 2-hour detangling session, I deep conditioned with the As I Am to test that out. And side note, it's good. This is a 8-ounce jar. I ended up having to like almost use the entire jar, though this is literally from using it once. All right, so the next product was the leave-in conditioner. And this again was really interesting. It was one that was applied via spray bottle. So I was a little scared at this point, I'm not gonna lie. I sprayed this on, and this is so interesting because it foams up on your hair. And I wasn't sure if I had just used a shampoo on my hair or whatever. I had to like recheck it. It reminds me a lot of a setting foam, like something that you would use before you would put on a roller set, because it had this like foam. But as I put it through my hair, I really liked that it was making my coils pop. As far as moisturizing the hair, I don't feel like it moisturized it that much. All his products have amino acids in them, which is really great for strengthening the hair and rebuilding. But when you put amino acids in things, they tend to lose a lot of the moisture. I think that's what I was experiencing with this, was the lack of moisture that I'm usually looking for in a leave-in conditioner. Although I really like how it defined my curls and made them pop and stand out. And also it had a very like lightweight effect to it. I really do like it. Again, I would put something else moisturizing before I did this leave-in conditioner. When I styled my hair, I had this on first because I was testing it, and then I used my Twisty Elongating Style Cream in my multi-use pure oil blend on top as I styled it, and then the gel. What I would do with this, knowing how it makes my hair feel, is I would put on my styling cream, like whatever moisturizing styling cream you got going on, and maybe an oil or something, and then put this on over it, because that's gonna lock everything in and make your curls really pop. And it's gonna make your curls pop but have that moisture underneath to kind of keep the moisture going for days. And then, you know, if you want to put a gel or something, I put the gel on top of the leave-in at that point. My bottle right now is here. I think I maybe used too much. I'm pretty sure I used too much. And since it is day 2 of my hair, we're gonna try one more Vernon product that I was able to pick up at the store. This is called the Dazzling Shine Spray, which you can't even read the bottle, but let me shake it up and look what it does. Ooh, yes, honey, look at that. I feel like I want to spray that all over my body. Look how pretty that is. Wow, it's like a galaxy. Ingredients on this guy, we got a mix of natural and synthetics. So let's give this a try. I'm so excited. Shake before use. Spritz at arm's length over dry hair for a dazzling shine. And you can see my hair is getting a little bit dull. I didn't use my normal leave-in conditioner because I used this. And I do feel like it's more dry than it usually is, but also it's like definitely more defined and like lightweight than it usually is. I love it. Not holding against it. Let's see what this does. So it's a great time to use it. Ooh, okay. It's a little bit wet. It's a little wet. Is it gonna revert my hair? Okay. Does it look different? I can't really tell. Okay, this is like reverting my hair though, so I don't want to keep spraying it. I think it looks more moisturized, but I think that's Maybe because I'm wetting it? I don't know. I'm not really seeing like dazzling shine. I can see it in the frame now. You guys see a difference? Let me know if you see a difference in the comments. Alright, so I'm done. I think it did make my hair look less dusty. So there's that. I'm not really getting like any of the effects of the glitter. Or maybe it's just really subtle and I can't really tell. I guess it does look more moisturized, so that's great. It smells good, that's nice. These are salon quality products in the mid to high range based on the price point and the quantity inside. We've got a good mix of synthetic and natural in here. We've got lots of amino acids. I can understand that price point. And he's not marketing it as like an all natural product line either. So the fact that there are natural ingredients in here at all are really a great thing. So I love these products. I think they're really unique and very nice. So Vernon, really good job on those. All right, so all in all, my overall thoughts on these products are that they are good and that I had a lot of fun using them. They're very different. I definitely used more than I would like to have used of these, but now that I know to use these kind of as like after treatments to my styling, I feel like I can save a lot more money just kind of using them sparingly, not necessarily as like the main detangling conditioner, the main leave-in, you know what I'm saying? Like add them on top of, because I do like the strengthening effect that they have. So great product line, Vernon Francois, if you're seeing this. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this review and demonstration. I hope it was helpful. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.